we wanted to get our interiors done, and I was looking for interior designers, and I came across Creative Axis while I was searching in the Google, and it happened to be somewhere closer to my uh, site, and I approached them. The first impression was both Amrit and Anupama, they were thorough professionals, and they took us through the whole process, and then we had to go through with them on iterations on the design. They came, sent their professionals to measure the property, and then came up with all sort of ideas. The best part with Creative Axis was that Amrit and Anupama made a frequent visit when the project was going on, and I personally liked their involvement in the project. They came with us, they helped us in designing or selecting the colors, uh, the wallpaper, or the materials, or even wood materials, and the laminations, what will go well in our son's room, what should go in our bedroom. Those kind of feedbacks were very, very important for us, and finally, I mean, you can see it has come out very nicely, and we have all sort of appreciation whenever our relatives and friends visit us, and I think we made a right choice by going to Creative Axis, and we got a very, very professional output. So my recommendation is that with all confidence, you can go to them for any sort of interior designing.